Assessment of the street after Hurricane Milton. I did the before. Our street, by no matter of means, got the worst of it, but I'm going to drive around the park and show some of the aftermath. Here's some damage from the park next door, where some poor person's roof came off, and I don't know if you can see it, but now it's up in the tree. It's one of the mobile homes in the park here. The one beside it got some damage. This one seems like it got quite a bit of damage. That's a shame. Well, this is interesting. I don't know if we're going to be able to see all the trees that are uprooted here. All the big mounds that you see sticking up, those are the root balls for the trees. So it uprooted all those trees down the fence line. Everybody's getting back into the park. Alright, trying to turn around in the park here. Here's some more damage. I've been only able to get a small portion of this because there's a lot of, I'm going to say, minor damage, because nobody seems to have got hurt or killed. Most people have evacuated, and I would say, pretty much all of them. Here's the tree that fell in our yard. This is my stepfather's mobile home, and apparently it came down and just missed the corner of his house, ending up in the street. So I couldn't ask for better placement. So there we have it from Pinellas Park, Florida, after the aftermath of Hurricane Milton. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.